Hi! If you were wondering which is the best freelancing exchange in the top freelancer sites category, then watch this short video. I have been making over $18,000 a month on this site and have been using it for 4 years now. Let me tell you 7 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it really the best in the top freelancer sites category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hello people! Today I will tell you about a very famous and reliable logo design service. 99 Designs is one of the best logo design services in terms of customer service, but at the same time, it is quite expensive. However, if you intend to often resort to the services of designers, it is better to overpay a little but avoid unnecessary difficulties. 99 Design Service was launched in 2008. Behind the exchange, which has become home to a large number of designers, however no one gives exact numbers, is a Melbourne company. And if you don't complicate things, they develop the design here. Here you can design anything from a personal signature to marketing emails. In this review we will be looking at logos. The service does not provide services not directly related to design. You will receive design and only, not printouts for example. There is also an API that allows you to combine the design services of the service with your application or website. The site has been translated into many languages, and here is an incomplete list: English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and a few more European languages as well as Japanese. Even on the site itself, there is no complete list. In theory, you can use any language in your logo that you can put in the text box, if of course the designer you choose has the font you want. Now, there are so many crowdsourced design services that are ready to fulfill all your requests, from design to printing, hosting services, SMM, walking dogs and bathing cats, jokes about cats, and therefore finding a service dedicated to something specific is like a sip fresh air. 99 Designs offers clients 2 options for cooperation: competitions and individual work with the designer. We decided to work in a competition format to evaluate the skills of a large number of designers in a relatively short time. There are many designers registered on the site, so a variety of design options is simply provided. Everything, of course, also depends on the chosen tariff. The most expensive the tariff, the more responses from designers you will receive. As a rule, it takes about a week to create a design, unless of course you will look through the work sent to the competition and do not ask every now and then to alter and fix something in the final round, which in the case of logos lasts 3 days. The number of rework and revisions in the final round will depend entirely on the patience of your chosen designer. After the final, the designer can agree to make a few small corrections for free. Major fixes, as expected, will no longer be free. The main thing is politeness. You can contact the designer both through the general contact center, more on that later, and through the tab where you will evaluate the work sent to the competition. Choosing the perfect logo for your cat bathing gloves company. Yes, there is really such a company, and yes, we're talking about bathing cats again. You will receive it in the following formats: AI, Adobe Illustrator, EPS, infinitely scalable format, JPG, PNG, PDF. You will get designs for anything. By the way, about a clearly defined range of services provided. On the 99 Designs website you can order not only logos. Here you will develop the design of the website, application, packaging, book and magazine covers, clothes and anything else. If you need a design for something, then here you will surely find a suitable artist. There are some decent add-ons here, and if you pay more than usual, you can even hide your design contests from outsiders, including search engines. You understand, no one needs to know that you hired 60 people to get a logo with gloves holding a wet and very angry cat, unless of course you don't want outsiders to know about it. Pay even more and you get a branding guide included with your logo, social media graphics and more. Active forum of active users. The main trump card of crowdsourcing services is the user community. It is thanks to them that everything becomes possible. And speaking of a vibrant user community, 99 Designs has a forum where you can ask other users for help and advice, get the latest news from 99 Designs, or simply discuss various design-related issues. Remember that the forum was created primarily for designers, although customers are always welcome here too. If you work with 99 Designs a lot, then visiting the forum regularly will be a very rewarding waste of time. 99 Designs can find a designer for you. According to the ad, this feature, Pro, is for those who need to find a good designer as quickly as possible. Basically, 99 Designs will discuss your project with you, decide what exactly you need, and really quickly find the right designer for you. And as long as you can pay for it, everything will be just top-notch. You have almost no chance of getting confused. 99 Designs provides a relatively limited, compared to other services, set of services, which allows the overall impression of working with the exchange to not be blurred. 99 Designs policy is simple. A user has to sign up, find a designer, get a design, and apply it, all without the hassle. Yes, there are additional opportunities here which I mentioned, but no alternative large-scale directions, no SMM, no print. You will be able to save your projects even before payment. If you've read my other design service reviews, you should understand what this is about. If not, then I explain. In each review I talk about whether the service gives an opportunity to save the competition or design project before you pay for everything. This is a really important point. At 99 Design, this is not only possible, but also quite simple. Excellent feedback processing tools. If your competition gets a lot of responses, 99 Designs will help you rate, process, accept or reject them very quickly, and optionally provide feedback. Other platforms provide similar capabilities but work much slower, but 99 Designs was fast and even pleasant.